Now, if you're interested in learning on how to solder copper pipe, um, I have plenty of videos out there on how to solder copper pipe on YouTube. So please go ahead and check those um, videos out. I even have them where I'm installing copper pipe in a house. So I'm doing quite a bit of soldering on that particular video. And the sound has been cut off because I had some people come by and they wanted to talk and talk and talk. So I didn't realize that until I went back to edit it, and so I edited all the conversation out.